In a quiet town, where days passed slowly and people measured life by the rising and setting of the sun, lived an old man named Adam. He was not rich. He was not famous. But there was something special about him, something people noticed the moment they spoke to him. Adam was old in age, but young in spirit. Every morning, Adam sat near his window and watched the world wake up. He listened to the birds, felt the light breeze, and welcomed the day with a calm heart. Many people believed that growing old meant becoming weak, forgetful, and invisible. Adam once believed that too, until life taught him a different lesson. Years ago, Adam began to notice changes in himself. He forgot small things. He lost focus while speaking. Sometimes words disappeared from his mind in the middle of a sentence. These moments frightened him. He wondered if his mind was slowly fading away. One evening, as he sat alone, he whispered to himself, "Is this what growing old means?" That night, Adam made a decision that would change his life. He decided that while he could not stop time, he could choose how his mind lived within it. He promised himself that he would not allow his brain to grow old through neglect or fear. The very next day, Adam started with something small. He picked up a simple English storybook. The words were basic, the sentences short, but the effort felt heavy. He read slowly. He repeated sentences aloud. He forgot words and started again. At times, frustration filled his heart. His voice trembled. His patience was tested. But Adam remembered one powerful truth: the brain grows stronger when it is challenged, not when it is comfortable. Day by day, reading became a habit. Listening followed. Adam began to listen to stories, speeches, and conversations in English. He did not understand everything, but he listened with intention. He trained his mind to focus, to stay present, and to absorb what it could. Slowly, something beautiful began to happen. Adam noticed that his memory improved. He remembered new words. He recalled stories. His thoughts became clearer. Learning no longer felt like a burden, it felt like a gift. But Adam did not stop there. He understood that keeping the brain young required more than learning words. It required movement, connection, and emotion. Every morning he went for a walk. He observed the trees, the people, and the changing seasons. He allowed his senses to awaken his mind. He spoke to neighbors. He listened to their stories. He laughed with children and shared wisdom with the young. Each conversation became exercise for his brain and nourishment for his soul. Adam also learned the importance of emotional health. He carried regrets from the past mistakes, lost opportunities, unspoken words. These memories weighed heavily on his mind. One day, he realized that holding on to pain aged the brain faster than time itself. So Adam began to forgive. He forgave others. And more importantly, he forgave himself. As anger and sadness faded, his mind felt lighter. His sleep became deeper. His thoughts became peaceful. He learned that a calm mind is a young mind. Years passed, and Adam continued his journey. While his body aged, his curiosity remained alive. He asked questions. He learned new skills. He challenged his thinking. He welcomed change instead of fearing it. People often asked him, "How do you stay so sharp at your age?" Adam would smile and answer quietly, "I never stopped learning." He explained that the brain loves purpose. When you give it meaning, it stays active. When you give it hope, it stays strong. And when you give it love, it stays young. In his final years, Adam became an inspiration to many, not because he was perfect, but because he proved something powerful. Growing older does not mean growing weaker. It means growing wiser if the mind is cared for. Adam's story teaches us a simple but life-changing truth. Keep learning even when it feels difficult. Keep moving even when you feel tired. Keep connecting even when silence feels easier. And keep believing that your mind is capable of growth at every stage of life. Because a brain that learns, loves, and stays curious will remain young forever.